Hello girls, I hope you're well. In this video we are gonna need again this table runner that I uploaded 2 years ago. Some tell me to make the video closer to the camera, and this table runner was needed with crystal thread and measures 40 centimeters long and 19 centimeters wide. At that time I needed with 2.25 metal hook and I needed two. Now I'm gonna use a hook of 0 and I'm gonna use the hobby thread in bone color. You can use any material you have if it's thin or thick. The only thing that will change that will be a little bigger or smaller. This is the material that I'm gonna use in bone color, and as I told you, the hook of number 0, we are gonna start. We are gonna make a slip knot. I go up with 3 chains, and on this ring we are gonna need a total of 16 double crochets and close with a slip stitch. Now I start round number 2, going up with 3 chains, 1 chain to separate, and we will make a double crochet in each point of the previous round, always separating from a chain. We close the round with a slip stitch. I begin round number 3 and 3 to separate. The previous round will be repeated, only now separating from 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. We close this round making 1 chain, loop, we put the hook in the 3rd chain and make 1 and 2. So we remain in the center. We go up with 4 chains, double loop, and in this space we will need 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4 strings of separation, double loop, and in the same space we make 1 double but incomplete stitch. I pass to the next space and close when we have 2. Again, 4 chains, double loop, we close 4 chains, double loop, 1, 2, double loop, 4 chains, and here we close with a slip stitch at the top. Now with a slip stitch we go to the first space and we will need 3 chains. Lace it. A double crochet, 1, 2 and 3 chains. 2 double crochet, lace it. In each space we will need the same thing, that is a fan without the separation chain, 1, 2 and 3. We close the round with a slip stitch, and with a slip stitch we go to the center of the fan. We make 3 chains, a double crochet, 3 chains, 2 double crochets. Here we make 2 separation chains and we again make the fan and all the round, separating from 2 chains. We close with a slip stitch and with a slip stitch we go to the center. Here I need 3 chains again, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 2 double crochets, and here we put 3 chains, 2 double crochets, and so on. We turn around. This is round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We are on lap 7, so we are going to start to make the separation to see where we are going to locate our pineapples. Here I start and I'm going to put a blue, a purple, a blue. This is to guide you in the video, but you can do it with a thread. Well, here we have a side where we have the purple color is where the pineapples will go. So here we leave 1, 2 and 3. We start again with a blue, with a purple, blue, purple, and finally blue. Well, in this part is where we are gonna work the pineapples. Then we start. Well, here I'm gonna remove the separator to work and start. Here I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2 double crochets, 3 chains, and here where the purple color is we make double lace it, and we are gonna need a total of 12 double stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Double lace it, and so we continue. Now I make 3 chains, I remove this separator, I make 1 fan, 3 chains, 2 double crochets, 3 chains, double lace it, and where we have the purple color we will need the 12 double hike points, and these continue all the round. The fans we have here will be separated from 3 chains, and here we will place the first one, a fan, and we will make the 12 hike points. I start on round number 9. Here I have closed with a slip stitch. Now we're gonna make 3 chains to go up. We go up and make the fan. 3 separation chains, 2 double crochets. Here we put 2 chains, double lace it, and we're gonna need in each of the double crochets a double crochet and a chain of separation. A chain of separation, double loop, 1, 2, and 3 stitches, 2 chains, and we work the fan that we have in the center, 3 chains, and 2 double crochets, 2 chains, double loop, and we need the 2 double high points separating from 1 chain. After the first fan we made, here we are gonna make 3 chains, a loop, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets. We are on round number 9. 3 chains, 1 fan, 3 chains, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, and 3 chains, and here we make the fan. So we will have what is one on the shore. Here we are gonna make a fan like this one. Here we have 3 separate groups of 2 strings, a fan, and 3 separated groups of 2 strings and a fan, and we continue as before. And so we closed lap 9. We passed our thread to the center of the fan. On round number 10, we will go to the center of the fan. We need the fan, and we make 1, 2 chains, and in the first space we put our hook and make a half point. 1, 2, and 3 chains, and in each space we are joining with the half point. We are gonna see if this way with 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. 2 chains, and we make the fan in the center. 3 chains, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and a half a point. Since we made the part of the pineapples, we make this fan, and here we make 1, 2, 3 chains, loop. We make 1 fan with the first space, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 1 fan, 3 chains, 1 fan, and here we repeat the same thing we did in this part and the rest as we started. We start round number 11. We make the fan 3 chains, we join with a half stitch, and we are gonna make 3 chains, joining them all with a half stitch until finishing. 1, 2, lace it. We make the center fan, the one that is between the 2 pineapples. Here we make 3 separation chains, 2 chains. We are here at the edge of our folder. Here we are gonna make 3 chains, loop. We make the fan, and here we are gonna make 1, 2 chains, and in the center chain we join with the half stitch, 2 chains, lace it. We are gonna make 2 double crochets, 3 chains. We go down and make our picot, yarn over, 2 double crochet, 2 chains. We're gonna join here in the middle with a half point, 2 chains, 3 chains, the peak, and 2 double crochets. Here we're gonna make this fan, 2 double crochets, 3 chains. We go down and make a peak, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, single crochet, 2 chains. Here I'm repeating what I needed in this part. We are on lap number 11. This is gonna be the part that is gonna be left on the sides. We are gonna repeat this on this side. Here I already worked the pineapples, and here we continue until the return is closed. After finishing round number 11, which was where we made the peaks on the sides, work this side. Here from round number 12, we will need them separately, so we start working this side. We'll put our hook here and we join our yarn. We're gonna need 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, 2 double crochets, 3 chains, single crochet, and we need all the bows with 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. 3 chains, and here we are gonna make 3 groups of 2 separate double crochets of 2 chains, 3 chains, half stitch, and we finish working the pineapple bows. Same with half stitch and 3 chains. In each round we will turn our fabric and with a slip stitch pass to the center of the fan. We go up with 3 chains and knit a double crochet, 3 chains and 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 3 chains, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, single crochet. And now at get here to the center, we are gonna make 3 chains, loop. In the first space we make a fan, 2 double crochets, 3 chains, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2 chains, 1 fan, 3 chains, and we continue working the pineapple, and when we arrive at the end we make the same, a fan, we turn, and we go to the center and we knit the fan again. After the fan now 4 chains will go 2, 3 and 4, half a point, the bows continue from 3 chains, and when we reach the center we make 4 chains, loop, a fan, 3 chains, 2 chains, and in the space of the previous round we make 1 fan. Four chains and we finish. We return the round as I showed you in the previous round. After the fan now I put 5 chains, half a point, 3 chains, half a point, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chains, loop, and we make this fan, 3 chains, 2 chains, and in the center we will make 3 groups of 2 double crochets separated from 2 chains, as long as we need this side at the beginning. We will work it in this pineapple, we make the fan and we turn, 5 chains, loop, we make the fan, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, we will make a fan, another fan, 3 chains, we knit this fan and repeat the pineapple. Here are 5 chains. In this round we put 5 chains again, half point, 3 chains for the bows, 5 chains, the fan is knitted, 3 chains, 1 fan, 2 and 3. As in this round, 2 chains, 2 separation chains, 3 chains, the fan, and from here we repeat the pineapple, here putting 5 chains after the fan. Now here we carry 3 balls of our pineapple and we are gonna make here 6 chains, half point, 3 chains, half point, 6 chains, FN, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2 chains, 3 groups of 2 points and 2 chains separated. Half stitch, and here we are gonna make the last bow with 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, 6 chains, a fan, 3 chains, 5 chains. Here we are gonna need again the separated fan of 3 chains, 2 hike points, 3 chains and 2 hike points. Here we make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and in each space we make a separated fan of 2 chains. We are gonna need the last round. After the 2 double crochets, we are gonna go down and make a single crochet, yarn over, and 2 double crochets. Now there are 7 chains, single crochet, 7 chains, 2 double crochets, 4 chains. We go down and put in the hook, taking 2 strands to make our picot, 2 double crochets, and in this part we are gonna need 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and join them in the center chain with the half stitch, 3 chains, 2 double crochets, 4 chains, single crochet for the peak, 2 double crochets, 3 chains, single crochet, 3 chains, 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Here we are gonna join with a single crochet, 3 chains, and well, we have finished our table runner. Now here we are gonna cut leaving a piece to be able to hide it from the back. Ready friends, here we have it finished. I'm gonna compare it with the one I did 2 years ago, which is with crystal thread. As you can see, there is a little more small. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share the video and like it. Take good care of yourself.